how to add upcoming alarm clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to your lock screen by pressing on the side button here. So press on it. Now on your lock screen, simply touch and hold. Then tap on Customize. From here, you can add it to your top panel or the bottom widget panel. Then we scroll down and tap on Clock. In the clock widget list, we swipe across and choose Next Alarm. Here you can select a small size widget or a large size widget. And then tap on the Close. And that's it. So at the moment, it shows no alarm. So tap on the top here to close that window, and then tap on Done to save the changes. If you have any new or next or upcoming alarms, it will show in the list here. At the moment, on my phone, I do not have any upcoming alarms, so it shows no alarms. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.